Say hello to the future of performance. This is the Mercedes-AMG CONCEPT GT XX, a bold electric vision packing over 1,360 horsepower from 3 Axial Flux motors. These motors aren't just powerful, they're revolutionizing electric propulsion. Each one is small enough to almost fit in a pizza box, yet together they generate over 1,000 kilowatts. The secret? Advanced packaging, rectangular copper windings for better density, and precision-built high-performance electric drive units, with one up front and 2 in the rear. Each of these drive units contains its own silicon carbide inverter, a material so tough it's used in rocket engines. It handles intense heat and power demands while enhancing efficiency. With rectangular copper coils wound for maximum density, the stator packs more power in less space. This means incredible power density, faster acceleration, and outstanding thermal management, all within a surprisingly compact form. The manufacturing of the Axial Flux motors includes 100 unique processes, with 65 new to Mercedes-Benz and 35 being global firsts. AI systems ensure microscopic precision, using sensors and cameras to protect key areas while lasers clean the stator surfaces to perfection. It's high-tech craftsmanship that blurs the line between robotics and artistry. The drag coefficient? An astonishing 0.198, putting it on par with nature's most aerodynamic creatures, the eagle and dolphin. Even more remarkable, it achieves this without relying on active aero. Instead, the active aero wheels feature self-powered cooling blades, balancing brake cooling and aerodynamic flow like never before. Charging is just as extreme. This concept can absorb over 850 kilowatts of power, enough to add 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. Developed in partnership with Alpatronic, even the charging station is custom-built to deliver such unprecedented current via standard CCS. Light isn't just functional, it's emotional. The MBUX fluid light paint illuminates sections of the bodywork using electroluminescent conductive layers. It indicates charge level, braking, and readiness status. Out back, a fluid light panel with over 700 LEDs can display animated logos or charge info, all integrated seamlessly into the design. External sound? You'll hear it, not from the bumper, but from speakers inside the headlights. This world-first integration not only saves space but uses passive membrane tech to produce deep, realistic audio with no added energy draw. Inside, innovation meets sustainability. The lab fiber biotech leather alternative feels just like leather, but it's stronger, cooler, and eco-friendly, made using vegetable proteins, biopolymers, and even rubber from a recycled AMG GT3 racing tire. The carbon fiber seats are 3D printed for each driver, wrapped in this same motorsport-infused material. Door handles are made from biotech silk alternative, a futuristic spider silk-like yarn produced by genetically modified bacteria. It's ultra-strong, biodegradable, and shimmers with futuristic flair. Everything inside the cabin feels like a concept car, yet engineered for the real world. The black and orange theme? It's no accident. The GT XX draws visual inspiration from legendary Mercedes concepts like the C111 and Vision 111, both test beds for radical propulsion. Back then it was Wankel and diesel, now it's Axial Flux and next-gen EV tech. The concept AMG GT XX is more than just a design study. It's a test bed for future AMG road cars, a rolling lab that merges 1,360 horsepower of electric fury, rocket-grade materials, AI-driven manufacturing, and a design that slices through air like a falcon. Mercedes-AMG isn't just aiming for the future, they're building it, bolt by bolt, pixel by pixel.